drawing the sketch, we're going to make sure we're in the design workspace. We're going to come over here and say create sketch. I'm going to choose the plane I want to be in. I'm going to pick in the XY plane. Now that I picked the XY plane, I can start the line command by coming up here and picking the tool in the ribbon, or I can type in L. I can start the line command by picking in any place and dragging it to any place I want. All right. I don't have to worry about the dimensions if I don't know them. If I happen to do know them, let's say I want to go 1 inch up in 90 degrees, I can type in 1 and I can hit the tab key and I can type in 90. Okay. And then I can pick a point and then I can keep drawing. So if I happen to know it, I would put in the dimensions if you know those dimensions. If not, you can just sketch it to whatever you need. All right. Now, if you hold down the left mouse button, you can build an arc. All right. So I'm holding my left mouse button down and I get an arc. And so I can come over here and I can keep drawing lines and I can come back, do whatever I need to do. Now, if I come back to the beginning, you'll see that my sketch is closed when it turns to be blue, or it's a closed profile. I'm still in the line command. If I want to finish the line command, I can hit the escape key. I could double click out in the open, or I could right click and go to my marking menu and say OK. I like to hit the escape key. When we are done sketching, we can use many other tools here. For example, I can come up here to my center circle and I can put, let's say I want to have a hole go in here. I can put that hole in. Let's say I need a 0.75. Boom, I can put that in. When I'm done with the sketch, make sure you hit finish sketch. And I just finished my sketch. All right. For any reason you want to make edit to that sketch, you can come over to sketches, highlight sketch, right click and say edit sketch. Then I can come in and make any edit I want to that. For example, maybe I want to come right here and put in a another hole. I can finish the sketch. So you can use any 2D geometry in the Create to create your sketch. And if you know your dimensions, you should put it in. If you don't worry about it. Just sketch it to appropriate size and shape, and we'll worry about putting some dimensions in later that will make it to this exact size you need. So right now we are creating our sketch, and this is our first sketch in our design.